Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a simple and home-style dal fry or dal tadka as some call it, that is still very comforting and hearty. It's actually one of my personal favorites and that's why I'm especially excited to share this one with you all. So let's get started. To begin with, take some boiled dal in a pot. I have boiled a total half cup of dal, a mix of tur and yellow moong dal, as moong dal is a little lighter on the stomach. You can go with any yellow dal of your choice. Add in about a cup of water to thin out the dal a bit. I personally like to start with a relatively thinner consistency of dal as it will thicken as it cooks, and as you'll see I add a really good quantity of tarka too, and I personally don't like a very thick dal. You can adjust the consistency based on your preference. Now add in about a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it in and cook the dal on medium heat till it comes to a proper boil. In the meanwhile, in a small pan, take 2 tablespoons of ghee and lightly heat it up. Then to it add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and lightly roast it for 30 seconds or so before adding in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and lightly roast it till it starts to crackle, and then add in 10 curry leaves and lightly roast it for another 30 seconds or so. Now add in chopped garlic from about 8 cloves of garlic and lightly roast it for a minute or so till it starts to change color. Then add in 1 baedki chili split in 2 and a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder and lightly roast it for just about 30 seconds or so before adding in half a cup of chopped onions and roast it for about 5 minutes till the onions turn translucent. Finally, add in a quarter cup of chopped tomatoes and saute for another couple of minutes, just until the tomatoes cook down a bit, and then turn off the flame. By now, the dal must have come to a proper boil. So to it now add a quarter cup of chopped coriander leaves or based on your preference. And finally add in the tarka and mix it in. And there you have it, a simple and home-style yet deliciously addictive dal fry or dal tadka that goes equally well with rotis as well as rice. Try it if you haven't already and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!